Good morning! The sun is shining, I've woken up with energy and I want to ride, so I'm so excited. I'm going to ride to Horning Cafe to meet some of the Norfolk Wrinkly Rideout gang. This group's only been up and running for about 2 weeks and it's got nearly 1,000 members already. In fact, I was at Brown's yesterday and a group turned up and I thought, oh, I wonder if that's them. And it wasn't, because I looked on their events and that's how I found out about today. But then some other people came out and said to this gang of 8 guys, are you from the Norfolk Wrinkly Rideouts? And they went, no. But they did look like it. Anyway, come follow me on Facebook, find out more about all these great rideouts and get some great pictures from today at Horning, which is beautiful. Stay tuned for some fun Norfolk countryside riding, including Acle, Horning, Wroxham, Heigham, Ludham and Reedham Ferry. Not necessarily in that order, you understand. Whilst this is playing, please remember to hit that subscribe button, and if you're enjoying this vlog then give it a thumbs up and share it with your mates. And if you'd like to buy me a cup of coffee then you can do so by clicking on the link in my bio. It's very much appreciated. Thank you.
Do mine as well.
Come on, you're not really that wrinkly.
Did you not see the one that was taken of me hiding behind the bike?
No. Well, what a brilliant lunch or brunch that was, with some fellow riders. Oh dear, oh dear. Honestly, I'm going to take you for a quick little scoot through Horning and then we're going to Reedham Ferry, I think. There's a library bus on our right. How great that they still do that. I love that. I used to love that in Lincolnshire. And we're just coming over Ludham Bridge, where when I was a teenager we used to walk up to from the campsite just a little bit further down here on the right. It was quite a small site then, but quite quirky. They even had tin huts with baths in. and here it is just coming up here on our right. It's probably quite a lot bigger now today. We were just 2.5 miles down the Acle Straight, and then we hung a right on by looking at the map. I think it's called the branch road, but we're heading towards Reedham now anyway, and it will show on the Relive. But all I can tell you, it was mighty bumpy. It was just hanging on for dear life, but quite good fun too. Wet. Oh. That was a nice little stop. Left my GoPro running. I love it when I edit how much I mutter and talk to myself. I don't even know what I'm saying half the time. Anyway, I thought the ferry was down here, but it's not, so I'm now heading towards the ferry. There is, however, a pub, a quirky post office tea room, and another cafe too, so plenty of ice cream. No vegan though. And no gluten-free, unfortunately, today, although the post office tea room does usually have gluten-free cake. Can I get on this one? No, I can't. I better go back behind the sign where it says for me to stay then, hadn't I? Oopsie. Sorry, my GoPro wasn't on when I went on the ferry or off it. I did think it was, but you know what I'm like. I call myself a vlogger. It's just the joy and excitement of the open road. You never know what you're going to get with me. It's all very random. but most of the time you're usually guaranteed to get me riding down these wonderful roads. I love them. Holding on tight, looking at the beauty of nature and hoping that nobody's coming the other way at 60 miles an hour. I was just nearing home and then I saw motorbikes at the cafe. It'd be rude not to, wouldn't it? Ta-ta for now.